Imagine living in a place far from cities, where there are no supermarkets, no electricity, and no running water. This is what it means to live off-grid. In Vietnam, many women live this way in the countryside. They don't rely on modern conveniences. Instead, they use what they have around them. These women are very clever and hardworking. They build their homes using materials from nature, like bamboo and mud. They grow their own food in gardens, catch fish from rivers, and raise animals like chickens and pigs. They also make their own clothes and tools. Living off-grid means these women are very close to nature, and they know a lot about how to use it wisely. In rural Vietnamese communities, self-sufficiency is very important. These communities are often far from big cities, so they can't easily get things like food, medicine, or building materials. Being self-sufficient helps them survive and stay healthy. The women in these communities play a big role in this. They know how to grow food, keep animals, and make things they need from natural resources. This knowledge is passed down from one generation to the next, so the community always has the skills it needs to thrive. When people can take care of themselves, they feel more secure and independent. The women living off-grid in Vietnam are like everyday heroes. They have amazing skills that help them build homes, find food, and live comfortably without modern technology. These skills come from a mix of traditional knowledge, community practices, and learning to adapt to their surroundings. Traditional knowledge includes things their mothers and grandmothers taught them, like how to plant rice or weave baskets. Community practices involve working together and sharing what they know with each other. Adapting to their environment means they learn from nature and find smart ways to use what's around them, like making fishing nets from plant fibers. All these things together make these women incredibly resourceful and able to live off the grid successfully. Vietnamese women are incredibly resourceful when it comes to building homes using natural materials. Bamboo is a popular choice because it's strong, flexible, and grows quickly, making it easy to replace. Women skillfully cut and shape bamboo into the right sizes for building. Thatch, which is made from dried grass or palm leaves, is used for roofing because it keeps the house cool in the hot weather and is waterproof. Mud is mixed with other natural fibers to create walls that are sturdy and can keep the house warm or cool depending on the season. Wood is also used for building the frame of the house, providing a solid structure. These materials are all gathered from the surrounding environment, showing how Vietnamese women make the most out of what nature provides. Vietnamese women are skilled at constructing different types of homes to suit various needs and environments. In areas prone to flooding, they build stilt houses. These houses are raised on tall wooden stilts, keeping them safe and dry above the water. Huts are simpler structures, often built quickly using available materials, and are perfect for temporary shelters or storage. In villages, women also help build communal structures where people gather for meetings, celebrations, and other activities. These buildings are often larger and require more planning and cooperation, showcasing the women's ability to work together effectively. Each type of structure reflects the adaptability and ingenuity of Vietnamese women in using their traditional knowledge to create functional and durable homes. Gathering materials for building is a crucial part of the process, and Vietnamese women are very adept at it. They know where to find the best bamboo, which trees provide the strongest wood, and which plants are ideal for thatch. Once collected, these materials need to be prepared. Bamboo must be cut to the right length and treated to prevent insects from damaging it. Thatch needs to be dried properly to ensure it lasts a long time and remains waterproof. Mud has to be mixed with the right amount of straw or other fibers to make it strong and durable. Women perform these tasks with great care, ensuring that every material is perfect for building a strong and lasting structure. One of the most important aspects of Vietnamese women's resourcefulness in shelter construction is their role in passing down knowledge. Older women teach the younger generations how to gather materials, prepare them, and use them to build different types of structures. This knowledge transfer happens through hands-on practice and storytelling, ensuring that traditional building techniques are preserved. Young girls learn by watching and helping their mothers and grandmothers, gradually mastering the skills they need. This tradition of passing down knowledge ensures that future generations continue to benefit from the wisdom and experience of their ancestors, maintaining the resourcefulness and self-reliance of Vietnamese communities. Vietnamese women are incredibly resourceful when it comes to finding food through traditional hunting techniques. They use various methods like trapping, fishing, and foraging to gather food for their families. Trapping involves setting up clever devices to catch small animals like birds and rabbits. These traps are often made from materials found in nature, such as bamboo and vines. Fishing is another important method. Women skillfully craft fishing nets and traps, and they know the best spots to catch fish in rivers and ponds. Foraging is the practice of gathering wild plants, fruits, and mushrooms. Women have a deep knowledge of the local environment and can identify which plants are safe to eat and which are not. This ability to find and gather food from nature is a testament to their ingenuity and hard work. In addition to their skills in trapping, fishing, and foraging, Vietnamese women also create and use handmade tools and weapons. These tools are essential for their hunting and gathering activities. For example, they make fishing rods from bamboo, which are both strong and flexible. They also craft baskets from woven grass to carry the food they gather. When it comes to hunting, they use simple weapons like slingshots and bows and arrows, which they make themselves. These tools and weapons are carefully crafted to be effective and durable, showing the women's ability to use the resources available to them in smart and practical ways. Their creativity in making these tools helps them provide food for their families, demonstrating their resilience and adaptability. Vietnamese women are also very skilled in preserving and preparing the food they gather, ensuring it lasts longer and can be enjoyed throughout the year. One common method is drying, where they spread out fruits, vegetables, and meat in the sun to remove moisture, preventing spoilage. Smoking is another technique, where they hang fish or meat over a smoky fire, which both preserves the food and adds a delicious flavor. Fermenting is a process where food is stored in a salty or acidic solution, allowing beneficial bacteria to preserve it. This is often used for vegetables, creating tasty and healthy fermented dishes like pickles. These preservation methods allow Vietnamese women to make the most of their food resources, reducing waste and ensuring they have enough to eat even when fresh food is not available. Vietnamese women have a deep understanding of how to live in a way that maintains the balance of their natural surroundings. They practice methods that ensure the land, water, and air stay healthy. For example, when farming, they use techniques that enrich the soil rather than deplete it, such as crop rotation and composting. They also plant trees and other vegetation to prevent soil erosion and improve air quality. In their daily lives, they avoid using harmful chemicals that can pollute the environment, opting for natural alternatives instead. They carefully manage their waste, recycling and reusing materials whenever possible. These practices help maintain a healthy ecosystem, showing the women's respect for nature and their commitment to sustainability. By living in harmony with their environment, they ensure that their community can thrive for generations to come. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button to receive notifications for more videos like today's. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.